mission 589. I repeat, moon mission has begun, guys. The moon mission has begun. You ready? Certainly I am. Hello everyone, hope you guys are happy. Basically, XRP's around $1.73. There we go. In the green today. And not to mention, rank number 5, guys. Rank number 5. Look at that. XRP is literally a meme coin. XRP is literally a meme coin. Oh my. This is just ridiculous. It's not. Right? Now what I want to see is Bitcoin to keep pumping. Right? If Bitcoin can breach 100K, like I say to guys, we're going to $2 and above. Easily. So here we go. I don't know, guys. I'm actually getting that feeling of it's about to happen. Why? Let's connect everything together in today's video. Please like, subscribe, and share. We've made it. And we're about to, if we haven't yet. Now guys, there's the phone part of XRP in the XRP community. Now this is quite interesting. From XRP Smile, it's always a good feeling when you wake up and XRP's pumping. From Mr. Pool on 11/29 posted this image. Right? The sun is shining. The outside smells beautiful. Right? People are happy. It certainly is that time of the year. Why? On 11/29, again from Mr. Pool. So there's a 4-year delta, guys. Okay. He then says, "Good news is coming. Good news is coming." But wait, whoa! Did anybody else realize this though? What is this? It's like ripped apart, guys. Right? That looks to me. I'm thinking as soon as I saw this, I thought it was $10. Okay, but that could be $18, right? Since it's already ripped, but it seems like 10. Interesting. And then just below that, it says good news is coming. So here's the game plan, guys. There's going to be some type of unexpected news, hopefully and possibly in a good way, right? A white swan event, a positive white swan event, guys. Positive news that will shoot XRP's price instantly to new all-time highs, right? Seems like it, doesn't it? Then we see classified 11/29. It's what under an NDA, guys, right? But it's going to be released soon, it seems as. Hopefully that's the case. I wonder what will, right? So this person says, just got off the phone with a true insider. If you knew what they shared with me, you'll be stacking more XRP. I don't know. Does he know? I don't know who your insider is, but this is correct. It's a no-brainer. XRP is the obvious choice. But this isn't financial advice. The Riddlers, right? The actual Riddlers, guys, the actual insiders that are my financial advisor. It's Bearable Guy 123, Mr. Pool, Big Short, right, and some of the other Riddlers, guys. Howard Moon, right? Ripple Riddler. Now, David Shorts as well. These people are suggesting, hey, it's possibly going to be a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, right? Very interesting times are coming. This was a while back ago, guys. And remember, during Christmas, we're mooning, right? A beautiful present indeed. Well, this comes from Ripples and Whales. We have talked in length about the 3 Christmas stockings, which Bitcoin is green, purple is XRP, and yellow is USD. Do you remember we talked about the purple stocking XRP and how it was pinned on the mantelpiece right between November and December? Look at that, XRP, right? Since they pointed that this is XRP, guys, they showed us actually, right? Bearable Guy 123, November, December. Look at this, right? Literally right there, guys. Remember how we talked about the XRP stocking is pegged higher than the other 2. Oh, really, guys? Did you guys notice this? 1, 2, 3, right? Or 3, 2, 1. It's the highest, guys, in the room, right, on the board. So well, check this out. The metaphor was XRP will rise end of November, beginning of December. Next, why December looks beautiful. The screenshot of the calendar shows clear skies in December as well. Wow, there are no X's on the month of December, guys. Every other month on his calendar had X's or something, right? It was like crossed out. It was like quote unquote death. But December is the only month, if I'm not mistaken, I can't even check because it's frozen. Let's see. I think December is the only month on this calendar that is quote unquote clear skies, right? It's all green lit. It's all good to go. Which is a metaphor linked to the Ripple Riddler's work. Green for go for balloon launch. Next we have boom. With the character at end of year December January, right here from Bearable Down to 3. Only one shot left, and the moon phases on BG123's hat. We are in the first Christmas scene, still end of year. Then we move into the ship scene in April of 2025. Interesting. Wow. If that's the case, that ties into the recession, right? Because there was a storm brewing at that time. What do we think, right? Very fascinating. I'll have this linked specifically in the description below if you guys would like to investigate further, guys, right? Because I think he talks about it and whatnot. So this is all fascinating, right? How all this is happening around the same time, because as soon as December strikes, Brad Garlinghouse appearance could help Ripple and XRP gain broader recognition among the general public. With 60 Minutes offering a respected platform, the interview may position Ripple as a key player shaping the future of digital finance. You guys see how the masses are about to enter? And Bitwise says no, because, or yes, because we're going higher. Bitwise dropping some fire metrics. XRP's MVR, right here, guys, suggests fair value. This ratio indicates fair value despite price increase and far from being overvalued. Room for speculative growth, right? Where are we right now? Is this a threshold right here of being undervalued and that's overvalued, right? Right now, we are undervalued, guys, still, right? Still undervalued. And XRP was all the way up here at certain points, right? But during this cycle, I'm guessing we're going back up, which means we have more room to fly. I don't really think XRP being overvalued could be a thing if it has utility tied to it, right? And it goes live at some point in time. What's really odd is the official Ripple channel has been removed from YouTube. Really now, I don't know if this is true because I didn't check, but I'm guessing, right? It could be true. As soon as XRP starts exploding, this happens. Maybe they don't want people to know. I don't know, but they actually literally removed the official Ripple channel. What? Not even a person that's just reporting on the matter, right? On the news and stuff. They literally went after the main source. Why? I don't know. But wake up now before it's too late. I'm not buying at these levels, by the way, right? I told you guys, I'm already in. Didn't I say this so long ago, right? Accumulation before this happens, because now we just sit back and enjoy the ride. And the people who are trying to get in, they're going to be kind of scared, because what if it comes back down a bit, right? But what if we keep going higher? That's the issue here for those people, and they're going to be chasing price higher. For us, we're just sitting back and enjoying the ride until we see the prices we want, right? Hopefully from Crypto breaking. XRP broke the 42-month high. Ridiculous, right? Finally. Then XRP order book update. The reason why we went higher, guys, because last time at $1.60 there's 41 million XRP ask, okay, but now it's only like 4 million, which got eaten up. I looked at the order book. I think it's like from around $1.80 something cents, guys, to $1.90. There's a lot of asks for XRP, right? Limit orders set there, but I hope we could break that level, right? We need to. Now, next target is $1.80, right? Seems like it. You guys can see the pattern was squeezing, right? XRP will hit my target at $2 soon. Look at that. That's the first target. That's the high right here, guys. That's the pivot point, right? As soon as that's broken, that's it. It gets triggered for new all-time highs. Then we have bullish. XRP has broken through the resistance of the last high in March 2021, right? Look at the line chart though. The line chart already took that level, right? So has it already begun, right? Next level is this, guys. Look at that. There is no resistance. You guys understand? There's literally no resistance. Oh my lord. And then it's going to be price discovery afterward, after previous all-time high, which is at around $3.84, depending on the exchange. XRP 2017 kind of rally vibes. Hit $2, experience a pullback, and then continue its vertical hater rallies to a new cycle top of probably $10, I think higher. But interestingly, if we follow the same fractal as before, we're going to go to $2 and above, okay? Maybe like low $2, I don't know. Come back down because look, there's a wick right here, right? So I don't know the wick, maybe here, guys, and then experience literally this next month. Wow, that's next month, guys, right? Because it's on the 3 weekly candle. Oh my lord. And then January, early January, you go like this, guys. Pull back, right? Pull back like this, and then fire off 2026 like that. If we were following the fractal, this is ridiculous. I'm going crazy, guys. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, so from Dark Defender, look at this. The targets are all the way up there, guys, right? Supposedly some type of Elliott wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double digits incoming next month, it seems as. Oh my lord. Or maybe in January max. XRP dominance fighting its first key resistance level at around 3%. We hit 3% right now, right? Once that starts to break, guys, look at that. A 10x from there, right? A 10x from the to the 2017 levels, guys. 10x. What is that? $20 right now? Come on, guys. Now we got XRP versus ETHly. What? ETH monthly. I'm just so excited, guys. Right? So we have to close above these levels by Sunday, right? Close above these levels, resistance are taken. That's it, guys. Right? And for versus ETH, we still have a 7x from this point, right, to 2017 or 2019, right here, guys, 2018, right? And that's with ETH going higher as well, and ETH is, right, so that's more, that's like a double, if not more, to be honest. So if XRP was Solana's market cap, that would be a 1.22x. ETH, it will be a 4x from here, right? Eat everything up, and Bitcoin will be a wow from right this point. $33 XRP if we went to Bitcoin's market cap right now, and we know XRP surpassed it at some point in time in 2017, right, end of cycle, and Bitcoin should be going higher as well. That's the crazy part. So $50 end of cycle, right, or before the recession. I don't know, guys. Things can get crazy. Oh my lord, I'm going crazy, right? Again, a parabola has been set, folks. We told you guys, right? This is ridiculous. No, stop, because XRP Globe says higher, right? If we look at the metric, guys, an explosion is occurring, right? Look at that, literally lightning. We should be good until $2 because Alex Cobb says Alex actually not gonna stream until $2 XRP, right? That's just a joke, guys, because every time he streams, prices magically go down. So just wait until some time, but we should be good to go, guys, because Ripple and XRP are already positioned to dominate the global financial landscape with unstoppable momentum that will drive prices higher. Here's why: $5 trillion daily Swift through $5 trillion daily through Swift. Swift processes $5 trillion daily, right? Just the market cap or the share of this, guys. If XRP just takes a little bit, just a tiny bit, it's literally going to explode, right? Ripple has already 200 financial institutions. Right, it's tiny compared to Swift, but still, you have to start somewhere. And the banks are already in the know. Exactly. Checkmate. Bitwise Europe to tell, is XRP the next big crypto spot ETF? Right? XRP has a long track record. Right? It's the 5th oldest crypto in the entire space. Don't we see? Higher retail interest. Exactly. Right? Look at XRP versus other coins. Right? XRP is the 4th. Wow, it reminds me of like GameStop, and it's just like it kept on going higher in Dogecoin, right? It's like a rare golden nugget, guys, right? A rare potion. Interesting, right? And all these oh, and then we have the case conclusion soon as well. I forgot about that one. What? Right? BlackRock ETF hopefully soon for XRP. Ripple lawsuit began under Trump. Ripple lawsuit ends under Trump. It ends where it begins. Simple. Not financial advice. The fountain for today's video. This game is dedicated to all the dreaming children. Exactly. It's go time. Thank you, God. Not financial advice, and thank you, Riddlers, for entertaining and believing in us, for us to believe in you. Now, put nature advice, and here we go. What is that, Sophie's Masons? See ya.